Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x plus y where x square minus y square is equal to 16, xy is equal to 15. Let x square minus y square is equal to 16, it is called equation 1, and xy is equal to 15, it is called equation 2. Now from equation 1 we can write here x square minus y square is equal to 16, or we know the algebraic formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now apply this formula here. We can write x plus y times x minus y is equal to 16, or now squaring on both sides we can write here x plus y times x minus y whole square is equal to 16 square, or now we can write here x plus y whole square times x minus y whole square is equal to 16 square, or we know algebraic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here. We can write x square plus twice xy plus y square times x square minus twice xy plus y square is equal to 16 square, or now rearranging here we can write x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. xy is equal to 15 from equation 2, so we can write here 15 times x square plus y square minus 2 times 15 is equal to 16 square, or x square plus y square plus 2 times 15 is 30 times x square plus y square minus 30 is equal to 16 square, or now attention here, this x square plus y square is equal to a, this x square plus y square is equal to a, and 30 is equal to b, and 30 is equal to b, we will get a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now apply this formula here. We can write x square plus y square whole square minus 30 square is equal to 16 square, or x square plus y square whole square is equal to 16 square. Now taking this negative 13 square to right side, we will get positive 13 square, or x square plus y square whole square is equal to 16 square can be written as 10 plus 6 whole square is equal to 10 square plus 2 times 10 times 6 plus 6 square is equal to 100 plus 2 times 6 is 12, so 120 plus 36 is equal to, now adding this three number we will get 256. So 16 square can be written as 256 plus 30 square, that means 3 times 3 is 9 with double zeros, or x square plus y square whole square is equal to, now adding these two numbers we will get 1 5 6. Now taking square root on both sides, we can write here square root of x square plus y square whole square is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 5 6. Or now this square cancel out this square root, so here we will get x square plus y square is equal to plus or minus square root of 1156 is 34. So we will get the value of x square plus y square is equal to plus or minus 34, and it is called equation 3. Now we know that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus twice xy plus y square, or we can write here x plus y whole square is equal to, rearranging right side, we can write x square plus y square plus 2 times xy, or x plus y whole square is equal to, x square plus y square is equal to plus minus 34 from equation 3. So we can write here plus minus 34 plus 2 times xy is equal to 15 from equation 2. So we can write here 15, or x plus y whole square is equal to plus minus 34 plus 2 times 15 is 30. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x plus y whole square is equal to 34 plus 30, and x plus y whole square is equal to negative 34 plus 30, or x plus y whole square is equal to 34 plus 30 is 64. Now taking square root on both sides, we can write here square root of x plus y whole square is equal to plus or minus square root of 64. Now this square cancel out this square root, so finally we will get the value of x plus y is equal to plus minus 8. It is our first value of x plus y. Then from here we have x plus y square is equal to minus 34 plus 30 is minus 4, or taking square root on both sides, we can write here square root of x plus y whole square is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 4, or this cancel out this, so here we will get x plus y is equal to plus or minus, now we can write here negative 4 can be written as 4 times negative 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of, we know that negative 1 is I square. So finally we will get the value of x plus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, and here we will get I. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.